Hi, in front of me is TCL 20SE, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into menu, then you need to find sound recorder and click on it. Now choose allow and tap on this mic icon to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you want to save your recording and end it, click on this right button over here, name your recording, click save, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, clicking on the spin icon over here and selecting delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!